Hi, today we are going to learn solving inequalities in this particular video. In some books, you will find it as linear inequations as well. So they are one and the same thing, whether we say linear inequations or inequalities. Okay, so we will solve these one by one, and we will also plot it on a number line. We will graph it on number line also, like we will see like in what range our answer would lie. Okay, and we will consider that the solution, like the variable here, whatever is, like here s is the variable, here q is the variable, here p is the variable. So all these variables, they belong to real number on the number line. So let us take the first example which I have taken, is s minus 5 greater than negative 1. So let's rewrite here. S minus 5 is greater than negative 1. So now first thing what we need to do is, I will simply here do balancing thing. So I can write here plus 5, right? So then it would be what? I will be left with s is greater than negative 1 plus 5 is positive 4. So now if I plot it on my number line, right? So I will put it here 0, and on the left hand side would be my all negative numbers, and on the right hand side would be my all positive numbers, right? So this way, and I can extend it, right? So now s is greater than 4. It is greater than 4. It means that like this 4 is not included. 4 is not included. So here we will put a whole. This is the way we put it on number line. When the number is not included, I'm sorry, the whole should be at 4. Yeah, whole should be at 4 because s is greater than 4. So at 4 we will put the whole, and it is greater than that. So on the number line here, this way I will make a line and arrow. So it means that all the values which are greater than 4 are included in the solution. Okay, but not 4. And if you have to write in this form, so I can write in this form also. It will be open bracket, open parenthesis, so greater than 4, and it is infinity, going up to infinity, right? Okay, so infinity also, like the number is unending, so here also it would be open. So this would be our solution set. Understood? Now let us say here, let us take the next one, right? Which is what? Negative 3. Let's rewrite. Negative 3 greater than equal to, this time it is greater than equal to q minus 7. Q minus 7. Fine. So now here also we will be doing balancing method. So it is q minus 7. So I will make q alone. So balance this, plus 7 plus 7, and I can write negative 3 positive 7 is positive 4, greater than, sorry, less than equal to, or 4 is greater than equal to q, right? Or we can write it in this way, like q is less than equal to 4, right? Q is less than equal to 4. Now how we will put it on number line? Let us draw the number line. Yep. So this is my 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here would be my negative numbers, and my q is what? My q is less than equal to 4. Less than equal to 4 means, first of all, we will put here, we will locate 4 on number line, and on number line we will put a solid dot because this 4 is included in my solution. Okay, so q can be 4 also. In this particular case, q s was this 4 was not included, that is why I had put a hole here, right? Okay, so here 4 is included, and all the values which are greater than 4, they are also a part of the solution set. So here we will draw it like this, right? And in parenthesis form, how we will write? Since 4 is included, a square bracket is shown here, and I will write here 4 comma, and it is going up to infinity. So here infinity, and it would be an open bracket. Okay, next one. Let's quickly do the next one now. What is this? P minus 2 over 3. Oh, I'm sorry. P minus 2 over 3 and what? Less than equal to 4 over 9. Less than equal to 4 over 9. So what we will do? Balancing, yes. So it will be plus 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3. So here in left hand side we will be left with just p here. P is less than equal to. Now what is 4 over 9 plus 2 by 3? I will simply make my denominators equal, and what we can say that p is less than equal to 4 plus 3 2's 6 over 9, and p is nothing but 10 over 9, or we can say it is 1 over 9. Let us write it in mixed fraction, because this is improper fraction. We never leave our answer in improper fraction. So this is 1 over 9, and p is less than that, less than equal to that. It means that 1 over 9 is also included in the solution. It is a part of the solution. So here 0, here 1, here 2. So my 1 over 9 would be somewhere here, correct? So since I am not plotting it exactly here, so somewhere here I can locate. This is my -1, -2, and so on. Oh, let us write here negative infinity, positive infinity. Above also let us locate negative infinity, positive infinity, and here also negative infinity, positive infinity, right? So now p is less than equal to 1119. So how we will plot? Equal to means on 1 over 9 I will put a solid dot, right? And then I will, it's less than, so on left hand side I will extend my line and show an arrow in this manner. And how I will show? It is less than this, so negative infinity here and equal to 1 over 9 here. So this way we will show. Okay, hope you understood. Now let us take the fourth example. What I have written, v over 5 is less than 7. Okay, v over 5 is less than 7. Very easy. Simply multiply by 5 on both the sides, and what we are left with, v is less than 35. Oh god, it's too big, so no problem. What I can do is, let us write here negative infinity and here positive infinity, and like if I write here 0, then 5, 10, and here -5, -10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then yes, here it is 35. It is less than, so yep, here it would be a hollow circle, and towards left hand side the numbers are decreasing, so I will write it like this. So I can say my v value solution set is what? Negative infinity to 35, but it would be open, yeah, because 35 is not included. Now fifth one is what I have written something, yeah, -3 by 7q. It is -3 by 7q and what? Greater than 15. Okay, it is greater than 15. Okay, so we will have to do balancing q. So I can multiply up and down by 7 by 3, and this way here also I can do multiply up and down by 7 by 3. So now my 3's are cancelled, 7's cancelled, so I'm left with negative q is greater than, and here 3 1's, 3 5's, so 7 5's, 35. Now this is negative q is greater than 35. Now if but we want positive q, so what we have to do is we will have to multiply by negative 1 on both the sides, right? So when I multiply, negative q times negative 1 would become q, and 35 times negative 1 would become negative 35, right? So whenever we are multiplying by negative sign, my less than equal to sign or less than sign would turn to greater than sign. Yeah, so here it is greater than, so it will turn to less than sign. Okay, because negative q is greater than 35, it means that our q would be less than negative 35. Okay, so here on number line, how I will plot this thing. So my negative 35 would be somewhere here, negative 35, let us say, then 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, 1, positive 2, like that. Okay, and q is less than negative 35. Okay, q is less than negative 35. Let us extend it, and here it would be a hollow and a line, right? So this way we can show easily. So we have to remember what, that whenever we are multiplying by negative 1, then our equality sign, inequality sign would change. If it is greater than, it would turn to less than. If it is greater than equal to, it will turn to less than equal to. Okay, then coming to number 6 here. Okay, number 6 is what? Number 6 is what? I have written something, multi-step. Yeah, 3 plus 5t. Let us rewrite here. 3 plus 5t and is less than equal to, 3 plus 5t is less than equal to 3t plus 1, 3 times t plus 1, and minus 4 2 minus t. So now this is multi-step equation, so I can write here 3 plus 5t less than equal to, let us open it, it will become 3t plus 3 minus 4 2's are 8, negative 4 negative t, so it will become plus 4t. Now this is 3 plus 5t less than equal to, 3t plus 4t is 7t, 3 minus 8 will become minus 5 here. Fine. I can now do balancing thing and write here minus 5t, minus 5t. So here I am left with 3 less than equal to 7 minus 5t is 2t, minus 5. And then what I can do here, plus 5 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8, less than equal to 2t, and I can now divide by 2 on both the sides, and I'm left with what, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and it is less than equal to t. So this is how we will solve a multi-step inequality. Very easy. So just do keep on writing step, if we keep on writing step one by one, it's very easy to reach our goal. So here t is greater than equal to 4. Fine, I will put here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. T is greater than equal to 4. Let us write it like this so that we understand it properly. T is greater than equal to 4. I can put here a solid dot and a line. Yep, let us do with some other color so that it is visible. Yeah, okay. And oh, here we didn't write the solution. Set it is q less than negative 35, so negative infinity and negative 35. This way we will write. And here what we will write, it is greater than equal to 4, so a square bracket 4 and up to positive infinity. right? So this way we can plot on graph or graph it, any inequality we can graph. Hope you understood, dear. Keep practicing. Any doubt, please send me. I will make a video and try to solve your doubts. All the best.